Hi everyone, welcome back. In this Math 20-1 and 1 lesson, we are doing 10 worked examples on absolute value. We will move slowly, show every important step, and keep connecting the algebra to the idea of distance. If this helps, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Example 1. Evaluate absolute value of -7 plus absolute value of 3 minus 10. Absolute value of -7 is 7. 3 minus 10 is -7, and absolute value of -7 is also 7. So the value is 7 plus 7, which equals 14. Example 2. Interpret absolute value of x minus 4 equals 6. This means the distance between x and 4 is 6. Move 6 units left from 4 to get -2. Move 6 units right from 4 to get 10. So x equals -2 or x equals 10. Example 3. Solve absolute value of 2x plus 1 equals 7. Split it into two cases. 2x plus 1 equals 7 or 2x plus 1 equals -7. The first case gives x equals 3. The second case gives x equals -4. Example 4. Solve absolute value of x minus 5 equals -2. This has no solution. Absolute value represents distance, and distance cannot be negative. So before doing any algebra, we can stop and say there is no solution. Example 5. Solve 3 times absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1 equals 13. First, isolate the absolute value. Subtract 1 to get 3 absolute value of x minus 2 equals 12. Divide by 3 to get absolute value of x minus 2 equals 4. Now split into x minus 2 equals 4 or x minus 2 equals -4. The answers are x equals 6 or x equals -2. Example 6. Solve absolute value of x plus 1 is less than 4. A less than absolute value inequality means the distance is smaller than 4. Write -4 is less than x plus 1 is less than 4. Subtract 1 from all 3 parts. The solution is -5 is less than x is less than 3. Example 7. Solve absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. A greater than absolute value inequality splits outward. 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5, or 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to -5. The first case gives x greater than or equal to 4. The second case gives x less than or equal to -1. Example 8. Write absolute value of x minus 3 in piecewise form. When x minus 3 is non-negative, which means x is at least 3, the expression stays x minus 3. When x is less than 3, we change the sign, so it becomes -x plus 3. Piecewise form shows how absolute value behaves on each side of the vertex. Example 9. Identify the graph transformations for y equals absolute value of x plus 2 minus 3. The plus 2 inside shifts the graph left 2 units. The minus 3 outside shifts the graph down 3 units. So the vertex is -2, -3, and the graph opens upward in a V shape. Example 10. Solve absolute value of x minus 2 minus 3 equals 1. First add 3 to both sides. That gives absolute value of x minus 2 equals 4. So x minus 2 equals 4, or x minus 2 equals -4. The solutions are x equals 6 or x equals -2. Graphically, these are the two intersections with the horizontal line y equals 1. Great work! 4 and 1 absolute value. Remember the main idea. Absolute value is distance. For equations, isolate the absolute value first, then split into two cases. For less than inequalities, keep the solution between two bounds. For greater than inequalities, split outward with or. And when graphing, use the vertex and the V shape. Like the video and subscribe for more Math 20-1 worked examples.